Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Guys, I know it's been a while. There's been a lot going on. This YouTube life it's hard work. It's right now at the moment I'm going through some things, and YouTube is very up and down for me at the moment. But you know, once in a while I'm trying to put videos out there. This video is going to be a hair video. I told you guys this year I'm trying to come out of the box and do more, you know, color and do more things like that. I'm going to be installing a new wig that I've got. This is it right here. I got this kind of like fiery type of red. It's just a new wig. I haven't worn it before. I still need to kind of customize it a little bit and install it on my hair. This was made by Priscilla Hair. I'll put her details below. The hair is from, of course, Yolissa Hair. My hair is not braided, but it's very flat at the moment. Well, as flat as it can be. I'm trying to see if I can kind of wear my hair flat under my wigs these days. I'm just trying to see how I can work with my hair. And you know, it's not all the time I want to wear wigs. Sometimes I just want to step out of my house without a wig on, just trying to rock the natural hair look a little bit more. But yes, I'm just going to wear the wig on top of my hair like this. You can see right now it's kind of not got any curls or nothing in it, so I'm just going to basically transform this wig and fit it and style it and you know, do all of that. And obviously I'll have my makeup done as well before the end of the video. So sit back, enjoy, get your cup of tea or your water or whatever you need to get, and just watch me kind of slay and you know, transform this wig, and of course just transform my whole look, because right now we're looking very basic, and hopefully by the end we're going to be looking very baddie, basic to baddie type of thing. But yeah, all right guys, I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Okay, hey guys, so I am back. This is the finished look. I have installed and I have styled the hair. I did use Got2b gel. There we go. It was already pre-plucked and already customized in terms of the frontal by Priscilla, but obviously I just had to kind of, as you saw earlier, cut the sides and just kind of get it fitted to my head. I was gonna put curls in it, but I actually decided to keep it straight. I actually like it straight. I'll curl it probably another day, but yeah, it's good. I can put it up if I want to, put it on the side, anything like that. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I'll show you guys how long it is on me so you guys can see the length. It is just kind of past my bum area, pretty long, 24 inches. So this is the longest I've ever done before, but you know, first time for everything. It's 4 bundles, I believe. 24, 24, 22, 22, and I believe the frontal is 20. I think I've kind of forgotten, but I will obviously put all the information in a description bar below as usual. Definitely loving this color. Like I told you guys, this year I'm stepping out of my comfort zone. I've done blonde. This is red, so who knows what I'll be doing next. I'll put all the information for Yolissa Hair down below as well. I believe they have the best frontals that I've ever tried. As you can see, it just blends in really nicely. Obviously it depends as well on how you customize and make the hair yourself as well, or whoever does it for you. But yeah guys, that is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really feeling it. Let me know how you feel about this look. Are you loving the red? Yes or no? Let me know. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that like button as well, and I will see you on my next one guys. Take care. Bye.